Dear students, a very good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma. So today we are going to discuss about design thinking based case study. Okay. So what is design thinking? Anyone have an idea about it? Yes. Why we have to go for design thinking?
It's easy to
We
solve
are
the problem by design thinking. Design thinking has five key points: empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and estimate.
very good. So mainly it is used to solve the problems. Okay. So what is mean by design thinking means it is a human-centered approach. Why it is for human-centered approach means mainly it is used to solve the problems. It is a human-centered approach. Mainly it is used to solve the real-life problems. Okay. So I hope you understand what is design thinking. Yes. Okay. So now what case study we are going to discuss means waste management. Okay. So we are going to discuss waste management process using design thinking concept. Okay. So what are the steps in design thinking? Anyone have an idea? Steps starting from empathy. It has empathy. Ideate, good, define, okay, prototype, testing. Okay, we have 5 steps in the design thinking. First step is the empathize. Okay, so empathize means we have to identify the customer pain points. Okay, so really what is the problem? What are the problems are faced by the end user? This point is must be discussed in where empathy part. Okay, so what problem we taken now? Waste management. Okay, anyone have an idea about how empathize for this problem? Do you have any idea?
I'm going to explain define this.
Please be loud, ma.
I'm going to explain define this now.
Yeah, define. Do you have an idea about empathy phase? How we can collect the problems regarding waste management? Really, what problems we faced in waste management? Yes. First one is we have a lot of waste. It has a increasing waste. We have a lot of waste. By this waste, we have to collect the waste management collections and the disposal. Now we are pricing. We have a lot of waste. Okay. So for this waste, we have to identify the best disposal methods. First one is the waste collection. And next one is the how we are going to dispose the collected waste. Okay, so these two things are the major challenges in waste management. Okay, so how we can empathize means we have to go to the we have to go to the interview. First, we can go for the interview method. Okay, whom we can take interview?
Affected people.
Affected people. That means waste workers. After that, affected people like resident. Okay, so we can collect feedback from these peoples. This is the first thing. After that, we have to go for the define part. Okay, so by analyzing the feedback, we have to identify really what is the problem we faced. Anyone have an idea what is the define part here?
Define part is how we improve the waste management in urban areas
Okay.
and formulating the ideas. Solution one by one.
Okay.
And in ideate, we take one best solution.
Yes. So, how we can define this problem is how we are going to use design thinking concept to waste management to increase the efficiency of waste management to help the urban people. Okay, this is the problem from the empathy part. We define this is the major. We have to focus on this point. Okay. So now, what is the next point in design thinking? We discussed empathy. After the define part. Till now we completed empathy and define part. So what is the next one?
Ideate.
Good. In ideate, what we have to do? Do you have an idea? Ideate.
Some of the
Yes.
lovability prototypes are
Yes.
for example, mobile apps and some of the devices are introduced.
Yes. So in ideate part, first thing we have to collect what are the solutions are available for this waste management. Okay. So what are the solutions are available for waste management process? In that we have to select the best solution. Okay. So that's why we can increase the efficiency of the what waste management process. Okay. So for example, you told smart dustbin is the one of the ideation process. After that, we can create a mobile app for collecting waste from the resident area. Okay, these are the ideation process. Okay, so next process in design thinking after ideation, prototype. We have to design a prototype for our ideation part. Okay, so suppose we are designing smart dustbin or mobile app, means we have to give the end user to test the prototype. Okay, so these are the techniques we follow in design thinking method. Okay, so mainly design thinking is used to solve the problems. Okay, so what is the final step? It is testing. Okay, so we have to collect feedback from the user. What is the problems are faced by the designing prototype. After testing, if any problems is faced by the user means once again we go for the empathy. Okay, so that's why it is design thinking process is a iterative process. Okay, suppose if customer faced problems in a designed prototype means once again we have to go to the empathy part. After that, collecting the user reviews, we have to reformulate our problems. Then we go for the ideation part. After that, we have to collect design a prototype. That's why design thinking is a iterative process. Okay, so I hope you understand what is waste management and what are the process in waste management. Okay, then what is the importance of design thinking in waste management process. So thank you students, have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you.